Welcome to my channel Explore Life with Shutapa. I am Shutapa Karmakar, a wildlife photographer by passion who loves to travel, loves to spend time with nature, photograph birds and wildlife. Today, I am back with the third and final part of our Bakkhali birding trip video. In my last two videos, I have covered the trip from Kolkata to Bakkhali by car, the birding session in Kargil Beach, Lalgunj and Henry Island. In this video, I will cover the birding in Bakkhali Beach, a visit to Lalgunj or a place otherwise known as Khalistan Beach, and finally our return to Kolkata. To know how to visit these places, what are the birds and wildlife that I sighted, please stay tuned till the end of the video. So come and join me in this video journey to explore Bakkhali. Happy birding! On the third day of our trip, we woke up and watched a beautiful sunrise from the balcony of our room. We started for Bakkhali Beach at around 6 am in the morning. The Bakkhali Beach is 5 to 8 minutes walk from the Balurtot resort where we were staying. The sun has just risen over the horizon. It still had its beautiful colors in the water and we were enjoying the walk. After reaching the beach, we went to explore the left side of the beach. It was low tide at that time and it was so beautiful as you can see. While searching for birds, we came across a whimbrel on the mudflat. A whimbrel is a large brown shorebird with a long, decurved bill. They can be found on mudflats, beaches, and coastal marshes. Then we spotted a Kentish plover. A Kentish plover is a small wadder that breeds on the shores of saline lakes, lagoons, and coast. Both male and female have a white underside, grey or brown back, dark legs, a dark bill, and a white collar. The lesser sand plover is a small wadder in the plover family, and it is different from the greater sand plover with the fact that it has a darker leg, the bill is shorter, and it is comparatively smaller in size. We also came across a common red shank. It's a wadder with bright red legs. Its difference with the spotted red shank is that the spotted red shank is more elegant and leggy and have longer and thinner bill. We also spotted a common sandpiper. Common sandpipers are small, bicolored sandpipers which often bobs its tail in a distinctively wag-like fashion. We stayed on the Bakkhali beach for some more time. We were enjoying there. The water has slowly started advancing During that time, we spotted a mixed flock of black and brown headed gulls with a mixed flock of common and little terns. We could only manage a distant video and shot because there was a creek in between which was filling up with water. On these beaches, one has to be careful of advancing water during high tide as these creeks could fill up really fast and could turn fatal. After birding in Bakkhali Beach, we went to visit the Lalgunj beach. Since it was high tide time, we knew we won't be able to do birding in Khalistan beach. However, we just wanted to see the beach and the area. The route to Lalgunj was through villages. You can take your car, but the roads are quite narrow, so you need to keep this in mind. There was greenery everywhere. We reached Lalgunj and saw that it was completely high tide and the water level was very high. It was beautiful. At the same time, it was also looking very scary. This time, due to this high tide, it was not possible to go on the beach and explore. But I am sure during low tide it will be possible to explore the beach, which we will do maybe some other time when we visit Bakkhali. But this time we just had to do birding in the nearby areas. On our way back, we explored the village and also found some bitter leaves, locally known as panpata farming, that was happening. We stopped to look at it, and after that, we returned to our resort. On reaching the resort, we took some time to get ready, had our breakfast, and now it was time to say goodbye to Bakkhali and the resort. We started our journey back to Kolkata. The route was from Namkhana, Kartik. Then instead of going through Amtala, we took the bypass through Julpi. After 5 kilometers after crossing Kartik, we had a late snacks at Sundarban Dhaba, a dhaba on the left side of the road. We already had a very late breakfast, so we had a late snacks and had our lunch once we entered Kolkata. After having the late snacks, we again started, and this time we took the road through Julpi. The road was narrow but very scenic and full of greens. Though narrow, it was almost noon and the roads were not crowded, and we did not face any kind of challenge. The Julpi road meets in Amtala Baripur road, and from there we headed back to our home. One thing I would like to mention in this video is in various places where I have gone in Bakkhali, mainly in Henry Island, I have seen people tossing over the plastic water bottles here and there. In such a pristine environment, we go to enjoy, and if we are not a responsible tourist, then we will end up losing these places. So, requesting all to keep this in mind. It's a humble request. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, please don't forget to click the bell icon so that as soon as I upload a video, you will get a notification. Also, let me know the feedback of this video in the comment box. I will be visiting beautiful places like this and will try to give you all the information as where I stayed and how did I do the birding. Your encouragement will keep me going. So, till the next journey, next video, you all stay healthy, stay happy, and bye for now.